What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Doing another quick ride and review today. Heading to Dominican / Puerto Rican place called CIBAO or CIBAO. Not sure how to pronounce it. Place has been around, been in the Lower East Side. I think it opened in like 1958. It was called La Lechonera, and then in 78. That guy wasn't looking. In 78, it changed names to what it is now, CIBAO. I've been slowly but surely hitting all of these types of places in the neighborhood. Castillo de Jagua 1 and 2, or Yagua. You saw I did a ride and review for Casa Adela. Also, Castillo de Manhattan, which is just straight ahead all the way down. But this one I've been meaning to check out because it's been there for so long, and it's such a mainstay in like the bar area on Clinton Street, right in the heart of the Lower East Side, like nightlife scene. So I got to take this turn here because it's actually on Clinton. It's on the corner of Clinton and Rivington, so it's very close. So this will be a pretty short ride and review. I actually took a little bit of a roundabout way so that I had more time to talk. I think the plan coming up soon for Frantic TV is to do like a little food tour of all these places with Felix and Mike, and kind of just eat our way through all of these restaurants and try to figure out which one we like the best. So this will be a good test run for that, see if we like it. See if it's worth including in the food tour. Wow, there's a lot of shit on this road. They're really messing up the bike lane on that. All right, here we go. All right, just one street up from here, so we're almost there. Hopefully I got a good spot I can park the bike. Meeting the cake dealer, of course. There it is, right there on the corner with the yellow sign. Yep, I'll see you on the inside. They're giving me eyeballs. There it is. How do you say the name of this? Morir Soñado. Cupid sandwich. That's perfect. Man, that place was great. We did started off with a Cuban sandwich, perfectly crispy, really great flavor on that. Only $9. I mean, how do you beat that price? And then the chicken chicharrones we did, the bone-in kind, real juicy, crispy golden brown outside, great flavored skin. Highly recommend that. Rice and beans were nice. Mix them together, super delicious. And we did the pernil. Pernil was really good too. It was a little bit dry, but I think if they serve it with some of the juices or the drippings from the roast, it might be better. Definitely we'll be back to this place again. Great spot. Got to take Felix and Mike here when we do our food tour of all these, you know, Latino, Dominican, Puerto Rican, Hispanic food joints in this area. That's a great spot. I'm so glad I got a chance to come here and check it out. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review with all the pictures. And, you know, as always, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, and tell your fucking grandma.